Must-experienced cooking program in Seminyak. Highly recommended. The chef Komong see everyone's ability and cooking level to guide and participate. Everyone is one team. All cooking sub-teachers are friendly and nice. We made many dishes and all food we cook were super delicious. Friendly and harmonious environment to everyone to cook. Greeting, drink and dessert are good. Cooking place is little hot. Great experience. No regrets, absolutely none. We booked this activity to fill our itinerary on the second to last day in Bali, and what an amazing experience it turned out to be. Chef Tommy, our instructor, was fantastic, engaging, funny, and genuinely wholesome. We had so much fun learning how to prepare a variety of Balinese dishes. It's not just a class, it's a full culinary experience. The activity began with a convenient hotel pickup, depending on your location, followed by a local market tour where we got to learn about traditional ingredients. From there, we headed straight to the warung for the cooking class. The best part? At the end, we got to enjoy a delicious lunch featuring all the dishes we learned to prepare, prep, and cook ourselves. Totally worth it. Thank you for making our trip so memorable. Highly recommended. I had an amazing experience at this cooking class. Not only did I learn so much about the ingredients and techniques, but the chef's humor made the explanations engaging and far from boring. During the cooking process, the assistants were incredibly helpful, especially with cleaning up, which made the experience smooth and stress-free. It was so nice to focus on cooking without worrying about the mess. The best part was enjoying the delicious dishes we cooked ourselves at the end of the class. Everything tasted so good, and it felt so rewarding to eat what we had made. This class is definitely worth joining. I highly recommend it to anyone visiting Bali. Highly recommended. Visited local markets. The leader Tommy very funny, really enjoyed whole time. They do sell satay block for 50,000 Indonesian rupiahs, cash only. But haven't tried it yet. Welcome drink and food are really tasty, should have included the recipes. An amazing experience to learn about Balinese cuisine and culture. The morning market was informative. The chef was very knowledgeable and friendly throughout the whole cooking class. My 11 years old enjoyed as much as the adult, learned plenty of dishes, from scratch, and we gonna keep the recipe book. Absolutely had the best time and also we got to enjoy the food we cook, totally worth every penny. Highly recommended to anyone who love cooking and enjoys a bit of fun/chat with others. If you love to cook and want a unique experience, book this package. Super worth it considering that you'll learn some facts about Indonesia and culture, acquire cooking skills, and meet different people from different countries. Big plus, you can eat everything you cook. One of the best experiences we have had in Bali. We were a large group of 10 and they catered for us perfectly. Everyone had a ball and will remember it for years to come. Thanks to all the staff who looked after us. Praying gesture emoji. This experience was so worth it. The cooking class has operated for a few years now, and targeting tourists, therefore they designed the class to be intermediate level and fun. Staffs are very professional, well prepared, and friendly. We learned how to cook 8 to 10 Balinese dishes in 3 hours, with special Balinese spices, ingredients, recipes, carried by professional and entertaining Chef Reeves. After the session, we received e-recipe and pictures they took during the class. All in all, don't miss out. Smile. It is a fun activity which was well executed by the team. There will be an operator who will WhatsApp you once you make the booking for the class. Driver pick us on time and we were brought to a local market. Chef Tommy set a very fun and conducive environment for us to learn the dishes and history behind it. Everyone gets to hands-on in cooking something. End of the day, the team actually sent us a nice video of our cooking session for memory. Good job guys. Definitely the best activity I tried in Bali. Everything was planned well from the hotel pickup and market tour to the group cooking and eating time. Very informative, made me appreciate Balinese cuisine more. Good value for money, excellent service, smiley face emoji. Will definitely come back and recommend to my friends.